Model retraining. Model retraining. Model retraining means taking an existing machine learning model and training it again on newer data, so its predictions stay accurate as the world changes.
A simple way to think about model retraining is like regularly updating a navigation app. If it only knew last year's roads, it would keep sending you down closed streets, so you download fresh map data to stay correct. In the same way, a model periodically learns from the latest examples, so its internal map of patterns matches current reality, instead of an outdated snapshot.
In a fraud detection system, a bank might retrain its model every week or month on the latest transaction data, so it learns new fraud patterns instead of only catching last year's tricks. This is closely related to handling data distribution shift, where the incoming data no longer looks like what the model originally learned from.
Model retraining matters because real-world data, user behavior, and business rules all evolve, and a static model quietly degrades even if its code never changes. Teams schedule or trigger retraining so production models stay reliable, meet regulatory or business targets, and avoid costly mistakes as conditions shift.